What's going on, guys? Today we're unboxing this LED set from deAutokey. I like the product so much with their footwell lighting and the trunk lighting that I decided to pick up one of the LED strips for the trunk. Unfortunately, the LEDs for the trunk is really bright, but it doesn't cover as much area as I want it to be. So fortunately, they offer a product which comes as a strip to cover more area. And as you can see, it comes with 3 adapters depending on what your situation is. And I can't wait to go ahead and try this product out.
Now normally, if we don't want to integrate this LED into the lighting system, this is basically the first step that you're going to do is just replace the stock bulb with one of these adapters, and upon plugging it in, it's going to light up, right? But since I want to integrate the LED strip along with the LED bulb in the rear, I'm going to have to do some splicing. Okay, so right now I took apart one of these adapters. I cut the wire because the company gave us 3. We only need to use 1. And if I use this one, which is the easiest one, I won't be able to have this function along with the LED strip. So this is the trunk lighting that was already initially part of my car. Alright. So in order for me to use this along with the LED strip, I'm going to have to go ahead and tap into this adapter right here. Here, this is the housing. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and spread this part. Take this part right here. Alright, so here is the LED strip. You can tell it's super high quality. Right, it's got a coat of resin in here. Yeah, it's probably like 2.5 feet of LEDs. So let's take a look here. Alright, you got this much slack going on, so I'm going to have to go ahead and kind of dremel it out. What we're going to do is we're going to mount the LED strip, but at the same time, the whole point of this particular, with all these parts, is we're going to go ahead and connect all these quick disconnects here so that it's easier to remove as we're removing the privacy cover on a daily basis. And there you have it. It's all cut. Basically, we're gonna have to connect these 2 wires here, make a male disconnect connected to the female end over here. Alright, so let's get that started. So basically, the hardest part of this job, as everyone's stating, is to fish the wire from here, because we created a hole, and fishing it through and under right here. Put this female adapter, disconnect, quick disconnect, as snug in as possible. Alright, so now it's time to fit the LED strip. We're basically going to start it from here. Alright. As we're going along, just kind of peel off the 3M tape. Alright guys, so a really important mention to the forum user who came up with this bright idea himself. All the credits go out to him, and I'll make sure I'll link everything in the description down below. There you go. And this is it. So this is how it goes. Alright, so this is perfect. This is where we're gonna put everything on. I'm not sure if Velcro is the best idea because of the small surface area, but okay, so it's all good. I'm not exactly sure how the Velcro will hold in the long run, but if worst comes to worst, I'm gonna go ahead and just drill tiny holes here to fit zip ties. Other than that, let us go about our business. So, pop this in and pop that in, and then because of this quick disconnect, we should be pretty much solid. Alright, so here we are in the nighttime. We're here to test out ultimately how much brighter this LED makes the this LED strip illuminates the whole trunk versus just that one output. That one LED is bright enough, but it's just not quite there due to the angle that's projecting at for it to be illuminating the driver's side of the hatch. So that's the whole point of this mod. So this is the before, and let's go ahead and connect it, and this is after. Alright, you can definitely tell a big difference now. Like the whole hatch illuminates. And in front of the vehicle would be the dome lights, the LED lights from factory. But the main star of tonight's show is this thing right here. Alright. Once again, thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.
Probably not the best.
You broke it?
No, I didn't break it. I just...
Bend it?
No.
Then calculate wrong?
Yeah.